like thing.
Oh, okay.
So I'm about to whip it right now. It even looks better than the ones that are way over here that aren't got shit on it.
Oh, stripper does nothing to it?
Stripper does nothing.
Yeah,
There's no coating.
I didn't want to.
Remember, the stripper only melts the coatings.
Amazing.
We order the shit.
It's not dirt.
Calcium. Hard water from the fountain. It's from the fountain. With the water dripping out of the fountain. This is actually a common mistake. Actually, this is a good one to talk about, actually. I was telling you people, we do jobs where the fountains are the fountains are the ones ruining everything. So actually what happened is, and she did this in the back, the fountains made so much water damage here, she replaced it with these instead of the same tile. So that's what happens with these. You gotta be very careful when the water hits, it splashes out, and over time it creates a lot of damage. And here you can see it made the hard water, but before, it made all the tiles she had here like these start to crumble apart, so she had them replaced with these. And she did the same thing in the back on her other fountain. She put these type of tiles around it because they were just so badly trashed from the water splashing. So remember, when you're getting a fountain, those are the things you're gonna have to think about. And then of course, making sure it's all sealed really good and protected is important. So, but anyway though, this particular video obviously is more about getting calcium off of TALAVERA's decorative tile. So you can see I used an acid on that. You can see the acid really attacks it, eats it. That's what the acids are designed to do. So, as usual, like us, subscribe, share, stay informed. Like I said, if you're considering getting a fountain, this is what the fountains do. So.